Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching marginal costing. So let us start with question number 1. From the following data, calculate break-even point, that is BEP. So in the given table, the selling price per unit is given as rupees 20, variable cost per unit is given as rupees 15, and fixed overheads is given as rupees 20,000. If sales are 20% above BEP, determine the net profit. So let us start with the solution. First, calculation of PV ratio. So selling price per unit is given as rupees 20. Sales is equal to rupees 20 per unit. Variable cost per unit is given as rupees 15. So variable cost is equal to rupees 15 per unit. So contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, which will be equal to sales is given as rupees 20 per unit minus variable cost is given as rupees 15 per unit, which will be equal to rupees 5 per unit. PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales into 100, which will be equal to contribution is given as 5 per unit divided by sales, which is 20 per unit, into 100, which will be equal to 25%. Next we will calculate BEP, that is break even point. So break even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio, which is equal to fixed cost amount is given as rupees 20,000 divided by PV ratio. So PV ratio is 25%, which will be equal to rupees 80,000. Third, calculation of profit if sales are 20% above break-even point. Sales is equal to break-even point, that is rupees 80,000 plus 20% of 80,000, which will be equal to rupees 96,000. So contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Profit is equal to contribution can also be written as sales into PV ratio. So we will record it sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost, which will be equal to sales, which is 96,000 into PV ratio, which is 25%, minus fixed cost, which is rupees 20,000, which will be equal to rupees 24,000 minus rupees 20,000, which will be equal to rupees 4,000.